Hello everyone. So it's good to be back. Just a quick life update. I've not been posting a lot of videos lately, and based on the recent uploads that I did, I gave you some tips or experiences that I had during my application for the family reunification visa here in Germany. Right now, I am in Germany. I have been living here since September 2024. And what I can say is it's pretty tough. Tough in a way because I have been working my whole life. Since arriving here, it's been tough on my end because it's pretty hard to find a job where you could speak in full English. Most of the jobs here require you to speak in German. Kaya medyo hirap si ate girl mo. Pero yung masaya naman dun and yung nakakagaan naman ng pakiramdam dun, my husband supports me in whatever I do. I am trying to make some contents on TikTok. I have an Instagram page where I post photos that I take whenever we go out. Pero syempre, hindi naman natatapos doon yung paghahanap ko pa rin ng online work. Not necessarily online work, pero at least for now, online work ang prefer ko. Bilang isang warrior princess dati na hindi na ako tumigil magtrabaho, ito na siguro yung pinakamatagal na, hindi pa naman. Siguro mga ilang months na ba? July, August, September, October, November. So, same. Mga 4 months na akong unemployed. At medyo mahirap din kasi iba pa rin yung pakiramdam kapag kumikita ka ng sarili mong pera. Kaya for now, ayan, dito lang ako sa house. Naghahanap ako ng work sa mga job searching sites, sa LinkedIn, sa Indeed, sa Hey Jobs, lahat na. Siguro ang tipong last resort ko na lang talaga is to go outside and literally submit my CV dun sa mga nakikita kong establishments dito like mga restaurants, sa mga pharmacies, sa mga gas stations, ganyan. It's true, kapag nandito ka sa ibang bansa, it's very hard. Hindi siya katulad sa nakasanayan natin sa Pilipinas because Philippines is my comfort zone. Yung pinaka dito is kailangan mo talagang magkaroon ng matibay na mental state to go through everything. Lalo na lumipat ako dito, I don't know anyone here. I don't have relatives here. Pero okay lang kasi nagkaroon naman ako ng mga mababait na in-laws and they are supporting me when it comes to my adjusting life dito sa Germany. They have been very, very kind and patient pagdating sa akin. They are also trying to speak as much English as they can. Kahit na alam kong talagang German all the way yung language na ginagamit nila dito. Currently, I am searching for jobs online. Kaya nandito yung laptop. And dun ko naisipan na gumawa ng video dito para i-post ko sa YouTube channel ko. Hopefully, mabuhay ko ulit yung YouTube channel ko para at least, ayun, magamit ko naman din siya for ting! That's it for now. Maybe sa mga susunod na mga ipopost ko, mga mini vlogs ng mga pinupuntahan namin or a day in the life, mga ganyan, para nakita nyo na lang din. Pero most of the time, andito ako sa bahay at yun, naghahanap ng work. Thank you everyone for staying, sa mga nagstay pa, sa mga subscribers ko. Maraming salamat and I hope maas pa yung subscriber count ko para naman kapag kakitaan ko din naman tong ginagawa ko na pupunta ako online, be very active on social media. Isa rin siguro to sa mga gusto kong gawin, humarap sa camera. Kahit na alam kong wala naman star quality doon. Basta gagawin ko lang lahat tong mga videos na gusto kong gawin. Dahil dyan, follow nyo na lang din ako sa TikTok. It's @Hexipop. Okay, yun lang. Bye!